What are we doing, Jeremy?
Blowing shit up.
Oh, shit.
Fuck. That ain't working.
Did we get it? We're dumb. Don't do this. We're fucking stupid. Don't do this. Blew the cap off. Do you have a cap?
I have no idea where the cap went.
Or is the cap no more?
It might be in there. I don't know. Nope, I don't know.
There's one of them.
I put a couple back.
Oh, shit. Now, what are these called, sir?
I fucked your mom bombs.
Yeah?
Oh.
Is that it?
I guess.
What's this?
Still smokes more than the Ford.
Fucking shooting rings. Look at that. Look at that. It's cool as hell. We'll call this the ghost bottle. Maybe push it up. That is cool. We're out of smoke in there, though.
I
said we're out of smoke in there, though. That is cool, sir. Very cool.